So the next thing that I'm going to be measuring is the space from his navicular down to the ground. It's called the navicular drop test. And what I would do normally is I would mark his navicular, which it's already marked right here. And he's now in a subtalar neutral position where the medial and lateral heads of his talus are both parallel to each other. So I'm just going to come in and measure in millimeters from his navicular down to the ground. He's at about 4.5 centimeters, so 45 millimeters. And then what I'm going to actually have him do is I'm going to have him stand up and just go into like a weight bearing position. So go ahead and you can march in place a couple times just to make sure that you got out of that neutral. And then, yeah, just so you're in weight bearing, and then you can go ahead and set it. And then what I'm going to do is go in and measure again in millimeters to see if it changed. It did change a bit. It went from 45 millimeters to about 38 millimeters. So it did change by about, 7 millimeters, which is good because if it was more than 10 millimeters, that would mean he was in excessive pronation, which he is not.